Well, today I'm going to make a video about something that I already made a video about, and if it's pretty much the same thing, well, I understand if you don't watch it, but it's about something that I'm putting on my truck, so stick around and see what it is. Yep, there it is. My new truck. I really like my old tonneau cover on the truck that I just put on in July. So now I'm going to put one on here in December on my new truck. So take a gander. So I once again ordered it from Amazon, and I will definitely put a link in it below in the comment section. But again, this is for my 2018, so what is it, 2015, 2016, 17, 18, and 19 should all be the same bed cover. Unbox it here. We'll just put her on. So there it is in the cover. There's the clamps. The bed rails. Bed rails. And the actual cover itself. So let me put all my knife down and all that other shit, and we'll get on it from here. There's my description, the part number, and made in China, but the price is right. The foam is a little bit long, so I'm going to cut it to length and then I'll install it. Alright, so the seal is installed, and now I can put the bed sides on, and then I'll put the back on. Alright, they're not installed yet, but I have them run into the actual cover on the back. The rails slide in onto a bracket, and then you tighten down that Phillips screw right there. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll tighten it down. So there's the brackets. I haven't tightened them down. They fit in. You open them all the way up, slide them down over this bottom rail. Here, I'll show you. There it is, all the way open up. You put it like that, then move it up, and it sits in that groove right there. Do that 6 times, and then tighten them down. I'm going to put the other side on, tighten them down, and then we'll adjust the top. All right, they're all tightened down, or snug down, I should say. And I'm going to try and open this. I should have unhooked it, but I didn't want it to get in the way. Got a little hook. Gonna undo the hook. Loosen it up. Undo the hook. And then we'll roll it out and see how it turned out. Looks like it fits. Well, that's good. Now I can roll it back up and tighten her down. But I'm going to put the tailgate up first, make sure it fits over the tailgate. Alright, I got my 10mm ratcheting wrench. I'm going to tighten these suckers down, or at least snug them down. And then we'll adjust the end and we'll be done. It's very simple installation. Well, it appears to fit very well. It's like over the end of the tailgate, and it's pretty much sealed all the way to back here. So I think we got a success here. I'm just gonna tighten it up. So there you have it. If you want a longer video of me doing this, it's probably a little bit better. You can look at the video from July that I did on my 2013 F150. The reason I picked this is it's very economical and it does a great job. So, I mean, you can't beat that. Anyways, I'll put a link in the description to this. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, do whatever you're gonna do, but I appreciate all the support. Thank you. There it is, all installed.